Hi, my name is Jessica Quiros, and I am presenting for Speech 1, Persuasive Speech. I am going to be talking about health and why it is important. Health, it is important. To explain who it affects, why it matters, and what you can do. Who does it affect? Well, health affects the whole world, the community, and you as an individual. It's important to understand is health really affects our children. Children socialize and create habits. A lot of those habits start at home. Why does it matter? Well, I truly believe that good health creates good mental health. Overall, you start in the inside, and your health enters the outside. A lot of people are depressed because they're not satisfied with their health. A lot of people are also depressed and they don't even know why. The truth is, a lot of times, it's what they choose to eat and do with their time. About 40% of America is obese. Obesity is a serious condition where one is overweight and sometimes has heart problems, heart attack. And from my own experience, my father he passed. In regards to his health, he was a smoker. He drank. He ate very unhealthy. Fortunately, he was isolated a lot of the time. He lost his life to obesity, and I had to watch those effects in action. He was sluggish, he was not very strong, and he did not make a lot of effort for his life. I strongly believe this had to do with everything he ate, what he did with his time, and how he associated with others. My father was a kind man, but he had a lot of bad habits. What can you do? Well, first of all, you see the plate here. It shows you how you can have a balanced plate. It's important to understand that 50% of your plate should be fruits and vegetables. You can eat grains and protein, about 25% each, but you should monitor your junk intake as well as your fats and oils. You should take things that are not really necessary to feed yourself in moderation, such as sugars and starches and other junk foods. Maybe eat more natural, more clean, drink a lot of water. Water is very important. Less processed foods. You should also talk to your friends, talk to your family members. Use your time wisely. Be aware and communicate. Those two things are very important. Communicating how you feel and why you feel the way you feel, because it's important to understand where that comes from. Everything needs a balance. What can come about that change? Well, I believe that when you change your diet and you change your activity, you can change your mental health. Healthy body plus healthy mind equals healthy life. One of my favorite quotes is from Buddha. It says, health is the greatest gift. And I believe that giving health to someone else is a very good, important gift, especially giving to a child. Me as a parent, I try my best to make good choices in what I eat in moderation and allow my daughter to watch me drink lots of water and eat lots of good food, as well as communicate with her and be kind to others. Modeling that behavior, I believe that she has a better opportunity. What I want you to take away from this presentation is I want you to understand that us as a collective, as well as an individual, make a difference. If you model good behaviors and you make good choices for what you put inside your body, you can make a difference in the world. Big problem in our society is healthcare. And I believe that if you can contribute to yourself, taking good care of your body, you'll less likely need to go to the doctor, less likely need those resources to rebuild and recover from the damages that have been done. Thank you so much for your time. I hope that you can apply this to your life and possibly grow from experience and live happier, healthier, and fuller lives. Thank you for your time.